Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming essentials and launching Live Studio. Do this now. Sign in, pick the project type, and grant camera and mic permissions because the app needs real device access. Once done, attach your capture device and set inputs in the Hardware tab so audio and video routes are recognized. Make sure GPU acceleration is on to prevent dropped frames, and save a new project profile immediately. This creates a repeatable starting point for every session. Now you build the middle of the session, scenes and assets. Arrange an intro, main, break, and outro scene, and add sources like camera, window capture, media files, and animated overlays so your flow is clear. Once added, set transitions and assign hotkeys for quick switching. This saves time under pressure. Then configure audio routing and mixer gain and set RTMP or integration credentials. This ensures your output matches platform requirements and avoids last-minute bitrate or resolution mismatches. You're at the finish line. Rehearse, then go live. Do a short 60 to 90-second run-through to check audio levels, bitrate, and frame rate. Once satisfied, hit start. Monitor chat and the encoder status while switching scenes with your hotkeys and watch audio meters for clipping. If you notice frame drops or audio glitches, stop, restart the encoder, and lower bitrate by 10 to 20%. If that fails, swap USB ports or use a different capture device to isolate hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.